Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Evernote templates. Templates help you create notes faster because they already include a ready-made layout. Let's get started. First, open Evernote and create a new note. On the new note page, you'll see the My Templates button. Click on it to view your saved templates. If you already have templates, simply choose the one you want and click Use Template. The template will open instantly and you can start editing it. If you don't have any templates yet, don't worry. Click Discover More Templates. Here, Evernote provides many free templates for meeting notes, project planning, to-do lists, journals, class notes, and more. Select any template you like and add it to your note. Now, replace the sample text with your own information. You can edit the title, type your notes, add checklists, insert tables, attach files, or make any changes you need. Everything is fully customizable. When you're finished, Evernote saves your note automatically, so you don't need to click a Save button, and that's it. Now you know how to use Evernote templates to create organized notes quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Evernote tutorials. See you in the next video.